Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I he's no item, please don't like him. He don't wife him, he one item. I never listen, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. Yeah, and my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but
Hey, whoa, hey, hey, yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it up, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, a million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on a whip and a crown on a six, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy. Hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself, nah. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need. You used to call me on my you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone, cell phone. Late night when you need.
Oh, been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep
back to my YouTube channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a review for Tinashe hair, and I am reviewing a 13x4 chocolate brown lace front unit. I believe that this is a 24-inch unit, you guys. This is pretty lengthy to be 24 inches, super long, like, and look how healthy and beautiful this hair is. I absolutely love this hair, and I am very impressed with this unit. So this is actually body wave texture, if you guys were wondering, but look how beautiful this hair flat irons. Like, I love the way this hair flat irons. Some people may say, oh, it's the flat iron that you use to make the hair look so good. No, this is, let me tell you right now, this hair right here, matter of fact, I am making a video because one of my subscribers did ask me to make a video on my favorite hair companies out of all, like, and I'm being very honest right now, guys. This is definitely one of those units that I am going to be mentioning in my favorite hair company videos, because the quality of this hair reminds me of the quality of this other company that I really like. There are a lot of companies that I like that aren't very popular, but they have some of the best quality hair, and those are the units that I have kept for months and months, and some of them even years that I have kept. So this is one of those units that I can definitely see myself keeping for a while, because for one, there are no flyaways with this unit, you guys. Like, look at how silky this hair is. You see what I'm saying? Like, all the way down to the root. Like, you can see how healthy this hair is. So I absolutely love this hair. Like, you see how it flows? You see, like, when I move, my hair moves here, but y'all see what it's giving. Like, it's so smooth and silky, and this is some of the best body wave hair that I've ever had. Like, some of the best body wave hair. I had to back up here just so you guys can get a wider shot of this hair and of the overall look. So as you guys probably noticed, in today's video, I did not do any type of baby hairs in my hair whatsoever. So I will come up close so you guys can see it's just regular. I also did not melt this unit using any sanic strips or silk wraps or elastic bands. I literally just applied my unit using the Got To Be gel. And I forgot to talk about that. Out of all of the chocolate hair units that I've ever reviewed on my channel, from the very first one that I did probably about 2 years ago now, this by far is my favorite. I love it. I love the color of it. I love the fact that I don't have a bunch of flyaways, because one thing about it is the second time that I did like a look like this and I had like the layers in the front, I was wearing like this burgundy like snake print top or whatever. It wasn't a corset top, but I was wearing like a burgundy top, and I had like, it was like a skirt set or whatever. I'll post a picture over here of that look. So when I wore this look, the one thing that I did not like about that unit, and I remember I immediately took that wig off after the video, after I took those pictures, because that unit has so many flyaways. Like, it was a ridiculous amount of flyaways, you guys. And look at my hair right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is with me touching it or whatever. Like, so I love the fact that I don't have all those flyaways. Shout out to Tinashe for sending over this beautiful chocolate unit, because I'm obsessed. It looks so good. And of course I had to pair it with like this chocolate brown like snakeskin shirt, kind of like a monochrome type of look with all brown. And then I also have on these brown pants with it as well. So it's just a really cute brown moment. And like I said, for this to be 24 inches, you guys, this is really long. Like, this is the front and it's super long. Back leg, like I said, super freaking long. To be 24 inches, this is so long. Like, look how long. Like, I don't know, y'all. And then from the side view, like, you see how I'm moving and the hair just moves with me, and it's not like frizzy or anything like that. Like, it's just so smooth and silky. So I highly suggest picking up this unit. If you have never tried Tinashe hair and this is your very first time even hearing about them, I highly suggest to check them out. Click on that link down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there's something that I didn't mention in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. First, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by on my channel today to show me so much love and support, and to watch this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.